Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 most important phrasal verbs with meanings and sentences. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First phrasal verb is act on. Act on means to take action as a result of something. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. The police decided to act on the anonymous call they received. Second phrasal verb is back up. Back up means to have an alternative option. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. The hospital has a backup generator in case there is a power failure. Third phrasal verb is blow up. Blow up has two meanings. First meaning is to explode. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Can you help me blow up these balloons? Now observe the second meaning, which is to become very angry. Observe the sentence structure here. She just blew up at me. Fourth phrasal verb is break up. Break up has two meanings. First meaning is to end a relationship. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Their marriage broke up as a result of long separations. Now observe the second meaning, which is to break something into pieces. Observe the sentence here for better understanding. Break up the chocolate and melt it. Fifth phrasal verb is bring up. Bring up means to look after a child until he or she becomes an adult. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. She brought up 5 children. Sixth phrasal verb is call off. Call off means to cancel something that was planned. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. The game was called off because of bad weather. Seventh phrasal verb is carry on. Carry on means to continue doing something. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. The assistant carried on talking. Eighth phrasal verb is catch up. Catch up means to reach the same level as someone else. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. He reads the newspaper on Sunday mornings to catch up on the news. Ninth phrasal verb is cheer up. Cheer up means to become happier or to make someone else happier. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. She cheers up for a moment at the sight of a bunch of flowers. 10th phrasal verb is check out. Check out means to investigate or to leave a hotel. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Maybe we should go to the library and check it out. 11th phrasal verb is come across. Come across means to find or discover something by chance. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. She came across some old photos in the drawer. 12th phrasal verb is come up with. Come up with means to think of or to suggest an idea or solution. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. She came up with a new idea for increasing sales. 13th phrasal verb is cut off. Cut off means to stop or interrupt something. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. They cut off the electricity last week. 14th phrasal verb is deal with. Deal with means to handle a problem or a situation. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. The government dealt harshly with the rebels. 15th phrasal verb is do without. Do without means to manage without something that is needed. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. In her work, she cannot do without a computer. 16th phrasal verb is drop off. Drop off has two meanings. First meaning is to fall asleep. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. I dropped off while watching TV last night. Now observe the second meaning of drop off, which is to leave someone at a destination. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. She dropped off her bags at his house. 17th phrasal verb is eat out. Eat out means to dine at a restaurant or outside the home. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Let's eat out tonight. 18th phrasal verb is figure out. Figure out means to solve a problem or to understand something. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Please figure out the total cost. 19th phrasal verb is fill in. Fill in means to complete a form or provide missing information. observe the following sentence here for better understanding. I spent over 2 hours filling in the application form. 20th phrasal verb is find out. Find out means to discover or to learn something. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Find out what services are available in your area. 21st phrasal verb is get along. Get along means to have a friendly relationship with someone. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Friendship is forever and everyone should try to get along. 22nd phrasal verb is get over. Get over means to recover from an illness or to move on from a difficult situation. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. She is only just getting over the death of her husband. 23rd phrasal verb is give up. Give up means to stop doing something or to surrender. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. You should give up smoking. 24th phrasal verb is go ahead. Go ahead means to proceed with something. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. The party went ahead as planned. 25th phrasal verb is hang out. Hang out means to spend time together informally. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. They spent the whole day hanging out at the shopping center. 26th phrasal verb is hold on. Hold on has two meanings. First meaning is to wait. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Hold on, I'll check in my diary. Now observe the second meaning of hold on, which is to keep hold of something. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. He was struggling to hold on to a rock on the face of the cliff. 27th phrasal verb is keep up. Keep up means to maintain a certain level or pace. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. He found it difficult to keep up with the rest of the class. 28th phrasal verb is knock out. Knock out has two meanings. First meaning is to defeat someone in a fight or competition. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. England had been knocked out of the World Cup by Germany. Now observe the second meaning of knockout, which is to make someone unconscious. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. He hit me and nearly knocked me out. 29th phrasal verb is look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. I am looking after his affairs while he is in hospital. 30th phrasal verb is look for. Look for means to search for something or someone. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. I have been looking for this book for years. 31st phrasal verb is look up. Look up means to search for information in a dictionary book or on the internet. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Look up the trains to Beijing in the timetable. 32nd phrasal verb is make up. Make up means to reconcile after a disagreement. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. How can I make up for the way I have treated you? 33rd phrasal verb is pass out. Pass out has two meanings. First meaning is to faint. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. I was hit on the head and passed out. Now observe the second meaning here, which is to distribute something. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. The hall was silent as the examination papers were passed out. 34th phrasal verb is pay back. Pay back means to return money that was borrowed. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. You can pay back the loan over a period of 3 years. 35th phrasal verb is pick up. Pick up has two meanings. First meaning is to lift something. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. I hurriedly picked up the receiver. Now observe the second meaning, which is to collect someone or something. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. I have asked my friend to pick me up from the airport. 36th phrasal verb is point out. Point out means to draw attention to something. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. He pointed out the dangers of driving alone. 37th phrasal verb is put off. Put off means to postpone or to delay something. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. She put him off with the excuse that she had too much work to do. 38th phrasal verb is put up with. Put up with means to tolerate or endure something. Now observe the following example here for better understanding. I don't know how she puts up with him. 39th phrasal verb is run into. Run into means to meet someone unexpectedly. Now observe the following sentence as an example here for better understanding. Our project ran into difficulties when we lost a sponsor. 40th phrasal verb is set up. Set up means to establish or to prepare something. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. The two sides agreed to set up a commission to investigate claims. 41st phrasal verb is show off. Show off means to display one's skills or abilities for others to see. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. He is just showing off his basketball skills because he wants to attract others. 42nd phrasal verb is shut up. Shut up means to stop talking or to close a door or window. So there are two meanings of shut up. First meaning is to stop talking. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Just shut up and listen. Now observe the second meaning, which is to close a door or window. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. The summer house was shut up for another year and we went back to the city. 43rd phrasal verb is stand up. Stand up means to defend someone or something. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Always stand up for your friends. 44th phrasal verb is take off. Take off means to remove clothing or to leave on a trip or journey. So there are two meanings of take off. First meaning is to remove clothing. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. He took off his shirt before swimming. Now observe the second meaning of take off, which is to leave on a trip or a journey. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. The aeroplane took off on time. 45th phrasal verb is take over. Take over means to assume control or responsibility for something. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Try not to let negative thoughts take over. 46th sentence is talk over. Talk over means to discuss something with someone. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. They talked over the proposal and decided to give it their approval. 47th phrasal verb is throw away. Throw away means to discard something or to waste an opportunity. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. That old chair should be thrown away. 48th phrasal verb is try on. Try on means to test the fit of a piece of clothing. Now observe the following sentence here for better understanding. Try the shoes on before you buy them. 49th phrasal verb is turn down. Turn down means to refuse an offer or request. Observe the following sentence here for better understanding. They turned down my offer of help. 50th phrasal verb is work out. Work out means to exercise or to solve a problem. So there are two meanings of work out. First meaning is to exercise. Observe the following example here for better understanding. I work out regularly to stay in shape. Now observe the second meaning of workout, which is to solve a problem. Now observe this example here for better understanding. Things just didn't work out as planned. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.